During World War II, Adolf Hitler turned Nazi-occupied Europe into a huge fortress. Hitler believed no American or British invasion force could break through the heavily guarded wall of concrete bunkers, minefields, and other deadly obstacles the German army had built along Europe's Atlantic coastline. He seriously underestimated the might of the Allied armies and the skill of their combat engineers. When Allied troops assaulted the fortified beaches of Normandy on D-Day, June 6, 1944, U.S. Army combat engineers made up almost 1/4 of the American landing force. Working under enemy fire and suffering substantial casualties, the engineers cleared away beach obstacles, blew up minefields, blasted through anti-tank walls, and opened the way from the beaches to the high ground above. As soon as the infantry and engineer-coordinated attacks had knocked out Hitler's massive concrete gun emplacements, other Army engineer units, along with U.S. Navy, British, and Canadian engineers, began creating artificial harbors next to the liberated beaches. Prefabricated sections of docks and breakwaters were towed from England and dropped into place at the invasion sites, allowing hundreds of thousands of troops and tens of thousands of vehicles to pour ashore, the beginning of the end for Nazi domination of Europe.